Oh, welcome back to Let's Play Castlevania Portrait of Ruin. Yeah, so I kinda crashed the game. Okay, we won't be using save states at all. What the fuck? And yeah, stop wasting time and start equipping the Claymore. And go. That boss, yeah, it doesn't show the projectiles he launches apparently, so you just have to keep jumping up and down, and then that didn't go as well as I had planned. The way you need to do that basically is keep hitting him from above so he can equip his head. Yeah, equip his head. And I pressed the wrong button. Oh, not good. Oh. Now, here's the place I want to be. Like this is exactly what you want to be doing. Why is Charlotte not here? I don't want to stay. It wasn't even the right spot. Okay, I'm gonna pause until I'm back there. Here we go. Once I click there. I hate this boss. It's the hardest boss ever. And it's the first goddamn painting. Come on, you fight too. No. I said you fight, not you stand around doing nothing. Yeah, you can't harm the head, you can only harm the... Oh, he's gonna jump. Okay. Thankfully you start doing something. Oh fuck. Stop jumping into the... Now I need to... No. Wrong. Use item, potion... I'm gonna die. Oh, well, if I had only dodged that, I might have actually died. Yeah. And I'm gonna run back there. See you guys in a second. Ah, here we go again. It's not so hard to dodge those projectiles when you see them, like you do on the DS. And, oh yeah, it's actually a lot easier with the Claymore. Go away, head. Oh, oh, okay, this is not gonna work even. This works, I'm gonna be freaking... Yeah, I'm gonna try using the thing so at least see what it's gonna look like. Well, no, I'm not apparently, because you got hit. Good job, good job. We'll use this then, just for the fuck of it. No, you're not. Did I have another tonic? Get up, get up, get up. What the hell did I have in my inventory? Beef jerky. Well, it's better than nothing. I guess. Oh fuck. Don't get hit. Oh fuck. Well, I got impaled. That's always fun. Yeah. This is gonna be a fun video. Really, it's gonna be a fun video. I'm gonna show you the running for once. Wouldn't that be fun? As you can see, you can always see the percentage of the area UI. So 71.5% of City of Haze. Yeah, interesting. And change the Claymore. It is easier with the Claymore, trust me, because you can hit the head, so he doesn't equip that. I'm gonna use the thingy and then get more mana with the thingy. You get what I mean? I'm gonna use the double attack thing, or not. No! Okay, not then. Okay, let's not. Okay, this. I'll be right back. Okay. No, it won't use it, so who the fuck cares, though? Yeah, you can kill something, please. Not yourself. Ouch. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, good. Turn around. That's actually pretty good. I hate this boss. This is actually one of the hardest bosses. Definitely. Ouch! Now I'm doing good damage though. And he still couldn't equip his head. Got it! Phew! Yeah. And now these. Vampire! It's a vampire! Yeah. Let's take her! It's such team spirit! Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, that boss is actually one of the harder ones, so it's gonna get easier from here. I'm just gonna go and save. Hopefully I won't run out of time, and hopefully I was recording and didn't have this on pause, because that would really piss me off! Saving, that has been saved, and see you guys in the next part. Bye!